Hello everyone, in this video we are breaking down our entire trip. So that means from flying to Orlando, traveling to Fort Lauderdale, sailing on the Disney Destiny, and then driving back to Orlando, going to Walt Disney World, and staying at the Boardwalk Inn Resort. My name is Cassie.
I'm Erin.
And we are The Magic We Make. And we are really excited to start this vlog series with you guys, because that means we are really close to our Disney World vacation and our Disney cruise vacation. Our trip officially begins when we head to Fort Lauderdale, and we do that like a day before our cruise.
We like to get in to wherever the cruise is leaving from the day before, just in case there's any sort of delays or airline issues. Makes things much less stressful, just to make sure that you're there and you're ready, because you don't want to be late for some reason and miss the ship, because if you do that, then you're really out of luck.
Yeah, you are. We will be staying at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina near the cruise port.
It's right across the street. And from there, it'll make for a very smooth morning for embarkation day, because we will be able to use Disney transportation.
Mm-hmm, absolutely. So we used Disney transportation on our last trip, and it really, everything was smooth. We stayed at a participating hotel or resort. You do have to do, one of those. But you leave your luggage in the room. Disney comes and picks it up. You just head onto the ship, and you don't see your luggage until you get to your room. So super convenient, easy. It is at an extra cost, but that's something that we thoroughly enjoy, and just one less thing that we have to worry about. Yep. All right, let's talk about Embarkation Day.
Embarkation Day is one of the most exciting days of your entire Disney cruise. So we'll get to the port and you'll board the ship. So we are going to be boarding the Disney Destiny. And the really fun thing about this ship, one of the really fun things about this ship, is the theming. It's very different from any of the other ships in this fleet, or really any other of the Disney cruise ships, because the theme is around heroes and villains. So we're going to have a lot of heroes and villains on the ship, and we cannot wait to explore and see what we have in store for us.
Awesome. Yeah, so once we get on board, our plan is to explore the ship, eat, obviously do the muster drill. So you physically have to go to the muster drill, do the sail away party, eat our dinner.
Yes.
So eat dinner at one of the rotational dining. So we won't know what restaurant we get until we get on the ship. Mm-hmm. And explore the ship some more. So Embarkation Day, we love it. Well, I mean, we've only been through it once, but it's something that's really exciting. You get to see everything new, and you'll again, it's just all magical. So, yeah. Our cruise itinerary, so after Embarkation Day, so let's talk about day 2. So I'm looking at my computer right now. So day 2, we're at Disney Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. So this is one of the highlights of our trip. We have not been there. We've heard nothing but great things. I'm most excited about just learning about the culture of the island, just hanging out and
just being on a beach.
Being there, right? being within all the magic and on an island. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Yeah. Day 3, we are at Castaway Cay, which we've been there one time. And again, I think we like the beach. We like just to slow down, take everything in.
The water is clear and blue and like you've never seen. Mm-hmm. It is just gorgeous, and you just are surrounded by just amazing views, and it's so much fun.
Yeah. And I mean, on both islands, there's excursions that you can book. You can rent a bike, you can rent like snorkeling gear and things like that. That's something that, we've talked about doing, and we still may do that. But right now, we're just going to go in and soak up everything that we can during that day.
I want to pull my chair down into the water and just hang out in the nice water.
Yeah.
So
and it's fun to see. Yeah, it's fun to see the characters and stuff on the island too.
They're all dressed up in their beach gear.
Yeah. So
it's really fun.
Yeah, it's a great time. Day 4 is day at sea. So the day at sea is perfect for exploring the ship, eating all the food, meeting all the characters, and trivia. Were you going to say trivia?
I was going to say playing lots of trivia.
Yes, yes. Our whole family loves trivia. So we will definitely probably be taking part in lots of trivia while we're on there.
Yeah.
And last is disembarkation day.
That's the sad day.
But not for this trip.
No. So disembarkation day is the day that you actually pack up and leave the ship. So you'll have to have your luggage all ready to go pretty early in the morning. So it's actually a good idea to kind of pack the night before and just keep out whatever you might need that last day on the ship. But you'll put your luggage out early in the morning. We usually go and have a breakfast, and then you need to disembark by a certain time of day. And this year, we're not just going to disembark and head home. We are actually renting a car and driving up to Orlando to begin a week's vacation at Disney World.
Yeah.
So it's going to be really exciting. It's going to be a really fun week, and we're looking very forward to it. Yeah. So let's talk about our resort and park plans once we arrive in Orlando. So we will be going to the Boardwalk Inn, which is in the Epcot area. So we're staying at the Boardwalk Inn Resort, and we will be going to Epcot and to Hollywood. So what are we doing at those places?
So we're planning a full day at Epcot. And the best part is, since we are staying at the Boardwalk Inn, it is a very, very short walk just through International Gateway. So that would be like where you're closest to Remy's. So that's one of the perks for staying at the Boardwalk. And then also we are planning an after hours event at Hollywood Studios. And that's another perk because you're on the Skyliner and you can take the Skyliner right to Hollywood Studios. You can also walk as well. I think it's about a 15 to 20 minute walk from the Boardwalk to Hollywood Studios. But again, we're going to be there for an after hours event, and we have done an after hours event. We did an after hours event last year, and we just absolutely loved it. For us, it was low crowds. We rode the rides that we wanted to ride twice. You also get snacks included, like popcorn, Mickey bars, Mickey ice cream sandwiches, and bottled water and pop. So, those are the perks that are included. And I'm telling you guys that the crowds were very, very minimal. So we're excited to do that again.
So let's wrap up this video. We are super excited about this upcoming Disney trip, the cruise and the week after up at Walt Disney World. So that is our full itinerary, what we just shared with you. We're very excited, and we've been planning for a long time. So there's lots more to come.
For sure. So this video is just the beginning. We still have a couple more of plan with me, prep with me videos as we continue to prepare for our vacations. But once we sail in May, then we're going to be documenting and vlogging every single day of our trip. So you're looking at least 9 vlogs after that. So if you're excited, please follow along. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're going to have a lot more Disney Cruise and Disney World content coming your way. So with that, we will see you in the next one.
Stay magical.